Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix microphone echo on PC. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're getting that echo on your PC, there is something that you can do here to remove that. So what you need to do is you need to go to the bottom right of your screen. So you should be able to see your audio here or your volume or speaker. You want to right click on it and you want to go and choose the sounds option. Now you should be able to see a few tabs here. We have playback, recording, and communications. Now I want to go to recording and you want to go ahead and access the microphone that you are having problems with. So in this case, since this is the default microphone I'm using, let's go and right click on it and you want to go to properties. Now in here, we want to go to listen. Now what you need to do is you want to make sure that the listen to this device is actually disabled. So if you enable this one, this will actually echo what you are saying on your microphone, and in this case you will be able to actually hear your audio. So this is especially helpful for certain things, like for example if you're recording something and you want to make sure that your the level of the way you're speaking, the volume, or any pronunciation is actually correct. You can enable this setting, but generally speaking, you just need to disable this one. Click on apply and OK to save your changes, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.